Steve, you're a rat. You're not even wearing that World War I helmet.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go. Ah! I got in the head. Ow! Ow!
Steven's a little poon.
Oh! I'm out. Phone call.
Ah!
It's Libby. They call me Tuba.
Ah, even the head. Oh, we're gonna.
He's not shooting. Ah!
Yeah! Headshot, baby.
Oh! Oh!
Ah! Headshot, baby.
I got you, man.
Give me the head, dude.
Oh!
Ah! Yeah! Yeah! Oh, shit!
Done now!
Hold on, Steven, hold on.
Hey!
You give up? I'm on the arrow.
Brandon, I shot through where he was reloading. Hit him in the arm. Ow!
Ah! I saw it coming as green.
Steven! Ow! It's too close! Ow! Oh, God. Ow!
Ow! Ow! Man, let's give up.
Oh yeah!
Stop out! We give up!
You can't give up!
Get out! I give up! I give up!
Put him a flag!
Seriously, it's freaking
Throw
hurt!
up a flag or something!
Put him a flag!
I don't have a
Don't let him go!
It's even hurt! It hurt!
Big stop!
Okay. Throw your guns up upside down over your head.
Our masks
I don't know where mine is. Let me
Watch this.
I'm so
Boom! Brandon, where you at?
Stop! Ow! Stop!
Get out from under that cover and we'll stop shooting. Get out from under.
It seriously hurts.
Yeah, dude, I got you in the hand. Stop.
Seriously.
Alright. Now let's look at your start.
Where were they? That's so unfair.
Look, one.
Because you guys
What happened?
You guys are pussy, first of all.
Ooh!
Get on my
Oh golly, let me see that. Dang, it's open skin from Achilles. That's why you don't cross swords with Achilles.
Falling apart base. Good job. Pretty good.
Getting ripping, dude.
Brandon, give him a short shot. Brandon, hold over here and pout.
What?
Steven, are you bent down? I got your cover. Go, 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 go. I'm out.
Ow!
Yeah.
Yeah, good shot. Oh, did I pop you?
Oh, shoot. Did Steven laugh?
Maybe you're just in bad cover.
Maybe you should suck my dick.
Maybe you should go back out with Aunt Louise because she's goo.
I'm done.
Rooster, are you gay?